Hey guys, my name is Kendall. I am the young adult librarian, and today is Harry Potter's 40th birthday. So in honor of his birthday, we are making our very own wizard wands. So there's a couple of things you're going to need to do this craft. So we're going to need kind of the base of our wand. So you can use anything you have at home. Today we are using a chopstick, but you can find a pencil, a straw, or even you can go outside and just grab a stick outside and use it as well. So these are a couple examples that we did that your wand could potentially look like when you're done. So this is a stick that we got outside of the library and we just painted it. There's a couple of things you can do as well with embellishments with hot glue. And so this is an example right here. So we did the handle as hot glue and then it spirals up the wand. You can also add in other embellishments as well. This one has beading on the handle of the wand. And then you can also add plastic animals. So this one we have spiders, and then this very fancy wand is a plastic frog. So you have free reign to pretty much create your very own wand. So what you're going to need besides your base of your wand is hot glue that needs to be set at a low temperature. The hot glue is what's going to create those embellishments. You can also have, we have spider rings, and you can also use beadings or feathers. You can really use whatever you want to add to your wand. So, and then when you are done with your hot glue and your embellishments, you'll just need paint. So we have a couple of different colors today, so let's get started. So we are going to start with just our chopstick, and we are going to create the handle first. So you'll just take your hot glue and set to the low temperature, and I like to move the little stand out of the way, and then just start to place on your chopstick like so. And you can really do it however you want to do it. This is just kind of a simple version as well. So, and then you can do different designs along the handle, and then you'll slowly let it start to drip down the stick of whatever you're using. So that's kind of what it's going to look like as it's drying. Make sure if you want to start molding it, you do give it some time to dry, or you're going to touch it and it's going to be super sticky. But you can start creating your handle, and then you can make embellishments down your wand if you'd like to do that as well. And then once it dries, you can start manipulating it. So we're just going to set that down and let that dry. So this is what it's going to look like at the end when the glue has dried completely. As you can see, it's not hard to touch. And then if you'd like to add embellishments, you can do it when you're first putting it on, or you can wait until the glue is dried completely and then add embellishments as well. So we are going to add some beads to this one. So we'll go ahead and get a couple. I'm gonna leave them in the back so they don't go everywhere. And we're going to put just a few on the handle. And you can just place them all the way around, however you want to place your beads. Oops, throwing beads everywhere. Okay, so you can see that you can just keep going around. However you want it decorated, you can create a full handle, you can do really whatever you'd like. So that's adding embellishments to it, and then once everything is dried completely, that's when you can start painting. So I'll let those two beads dry for a little bit. And we are going to go with just a classic brown today. Add it to our plate. Grab our wand. And then you just have to paint it. So you can do whatever you'd like. It's a good thing if you want to create like a base color and then let that dry, and then you can also add other embellishments with paint by adding different colors. You can even do a spray paint on top of like a metallic sheen or a gold sheen, and you can really create whatever your heart desires. So as you can see, you just paint it, and then you can choose to cover your embellishments, or you can leave them, but if you paint over them, you'll get kind of like a consistent look like this. So and then you can keep going, you can keep adding, you can do different paint colors. It's really whatever you would like. So, thank you for joining me and celebrating Harry's birthday. And we would love to see pictures of your wands that you make in the comments below. And stay tuned for more fun stuff. Thanks.